Dr. Obi Adigwe, Director General of the National Institute for Pharmaceutical Research and Development, says Nigeria must prioritize medicine security following lessons from global disruptions. Represented by Mboma Ihani, a director at the institute, Adigwe said the workshop was designed to strengthen national capacity and reduce dependence on imported medicines. The training, organized under the World Bank, supported Immunization Plus and Malaria Progress by accelerating coverage and transforming services projects and the National Malaria Elimination Program, targets stronger research capacity, regulatory compliance, and improved academia-industry collaboration.
All of us knew what we suffered during COVID, where nations had to close their borders. And arising from that experience, it has become necessary that we will think inwards on how to find solutions to our healthcare systems. And part of it is this workshop that we are having, in order to train the young ones on medicine security. Exposure, knowledge is the key factor that determines a lot of things. When you're exposed and you're knowledgeable, it becomes more difficult for you to embark on fake drugs and all those things. Some of the people that are involved in those things do them out of ignorance, not knowing the implications of what they are doing. You only think of the reward, the monetary reward that comes from it. Part of this training is exposure.
On her part, the impact lead of the institute said the program seeks to help Nigerian medicines meet World Health Organization pre-qualification standards to improve global competitiveness.
Quality medicines is not just having that drug, because you could produce a drug that is of high quality, but during the process of transportation, during the process from the point where it is manufactured to the point where it gets to the end user, you'll find out that the drug must have deteriorated. So even when we have medicines, yes, we have, and that's one of the reasons why we organize this training, so that health workers, they are aware that when we talk about safe medicines, it's not only when you have those medicines that you have carried out the test, you are sure that this is a quality medicine, but does it remain in a state of quality state even when you give it to the patient?
One of the participants, Ms. Rosemary Uzu, said the workshop would help translate research into practical healthcare solutions, saying it builds the mindset needed to make research beneficial for society.
Programs like this for young scientists help us to, develop those mindsets that are needed for lab. For us to take science from lab or from the bench to the bedside. That's transferring them not just for theory purpose of getting publication, but making these things practical so that people can benefit from it.
Another participant, Ms. Folashade Alabi, said the training boosted her interest in drug discovery, urging more efforts in spite of ongoing improvements by the National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control.
This particular training, it not only helps to develop my capacity, it can also help me in my future practice, especially in this profession. Because actually I'm looking at drug development and drug discovery, sustainable drug discovery. So learning about sustainable drug discovery and development is going to help with my capacity in this area.